Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to accept invites on LinkedIn. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the LinkedIn app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. Now see, this is the home page of your LinkedIn account, and to accept the invitation you should have to tap on My Network, which is available on the lower corner of left side. So tap on it. Now you will see the option of invites received. So here on the right side of your screen you can see the option of cross and tick, and to accept the invitation you should have to tap on right icon like this. Now you will see here, and tap on Not Now, which is available on the lower corner of left side like this. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.